Walk into any barbershop on a Saturday morning, and you'll see a ritual, one rooted in community, culture, and hustle. Barbershops are more than just grooming stations. They're neighborhood landmarks, where conversations flow, bonds are built, and trust is earned over time. And at the heart of this timeless tradition, cash. Even in today's tap-and-go economy, cash remains king in the barbershop world. It keeps things simple, fast, and frictionless for both the barber and the customer. But what happens when a customer walks in, ready for a fresh cut, and forgot to grab cash? Do you risk losing the sale? Or send them across the street, hoping they come back? There's a better solution. Install an ATM inside your shop. In this video, we'll show you exactly how ATMs can keep the cash flowing, boost your income, and turn your barbershop into a smarter business without changing a single thing about how you work. Section 1. Why cash still matters. Let's break this down. In most barbershops, cash isn't just a payment method. It's the preferred system for everything from tips to upsells. Why? Faster transactions. Cash payments are immediate. No waiting for card readers to connect, no awkward declined moments, no delays. Better tips. It's a fact. Clients tip more with cash. There's something about handing over a crisp bill that feels more generous and more appreciated than tapping a card. Fewer fees. Credit card processing fees eat into your profits. On a $40 cut, you might lose $1 or more in fees. Multiply that by 30 cuts a week, and you're losing over $100/month just to the bank. Customer comfort. Some customers, especially older clients or those working in cash-heavy jobs, prefer to pay in cash. And if you don't make it easy, they might take their business elsewhere. Now think about this. What happens when a walk-in client says, "Oh, I forgot to hit the ATM"? If they leave the shop, there's a good chance they won't come back. But if there's an ATM just a few feet away, problem solved. They withdraw, pay, tip, and maybe even buy a product or schedule their next visit. The ATM becomes part of your customer service. Section 2. Barbershops as community hubs. Barbershops aren't just businesses. They're anchors in the community. People come in not just for the cut, but for the connection. Regulars show up like clockwork. Newcomers drop in because a friend told them, that's the spot. Adding an ATM strengthens that sense of local utility. A client might swing by not just for a cut, but to grab cash for lunch or rent. A mom might stop in with her kid, pull out cash for both their cuts, and decide to tip extra. The convenience of having cash on site enhances your role in the neighborhood. And that's where the magic happens. Referral momentum. Your clients say, "Go see my guy, he's dope, he's quick, and he's got everything you need, even an ATM if you don't have cash." That's not just loyalty, that's growth. Your ATM becomes part of your service package, a small addition with a big perception impact. Section 3. Passive income and professional appearance. Let's talk numbers, because that's what this is really about. A lot of barbers think ATMs are expensive to buy or hard to maintain. The truth? They're neither. In fact, most ATM providers install the machine for free and manage everything, including cash refills, technical maintenance, 24/7 monitoring. As a shop owner, all you do is provide the space and start collecting your share of each transaction. Average monthly ATM revenue. 10 transactions, day $300, 400/month. 20 transactions, day $600, 800/month. That's $3,600 to $9,600/year in pure passive income for doing nothing but letting the ATM sit in your shop. And let's not forget the visual element. Today's ATMs can be fully branded. Want it to match your shop's aesthetic? No problem. Chrome finish. Matte black. Wrapped in your logo. It's not just a machine, it's part of your decor. Professional, polished, and profit-generating. Section 4. Setup is fast, easy, and hands-off. Here's the part that surprises most barbers. How fast this setup really is. Day 1. You apply for the program. We assess your location, hours, and expected foot traffic. Day 2. 3. You receive a tailored earning forecast. We show you what your ATM will likely make each month. Day 7. 10. We deliver and install your ATM. All set up, calibration, signage, it's done for you. And once it's live, you get a personal dashboard to track your revenue. We handle all support. And we update you monthly with performance reports. In fact, if something breaks or cash needs to be refilled, you won't even notice. It's taken care of before it becomes a problem. Section 5. Future-proofing your shop. Let's face it, the barbershop industry is changing. Customers are more tech-savvy. Expectations are rising. If you want to future-proof your business, adding extra services, like ATM access, is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. You're not just a barber, you're a business owner. And business owners find ways to increase passive income, offer better service, reduce lost sales, grow their brand presence. Adding an ATM checks all of those boxes. It's one move that helps you earn more, retain more clients, and look more legit, all without adding any labor. Closing, join the Barbershop ATM Partner Program. So if you're ready to take your barbershop from just open for business to optimized for profits, now's the time. With no upfront investment, no tech stress, and monthly income that stacks up quietly in the background, what's stopping you? Join our Barbershop ATM Partner Program today. You'll get a free consultation, custom income estimate, 100% handled installation. Don't let another client walk out because they didn't have cash. Don't leave money on the table that could be going right into your account. Keep the blades sharp and the cash flowing. Partner with us today. Click the link below to apply. We'll take care of the rest.